Hey, today we want to showcase a sprinter we have in the shop, and this one combines part of our Saga DIY kit and some of our interior build options that we offer to the public with a lot of custom work that we've done for this client. So we want to start on the outside and show you some of the stuff that we've done, which includes an Odin roof rack, which is made here in Utah. It has Code 4 lighting, also a Utah company. Illuminous bumpers and Nerf bars, and a van compass electronically controlled suspension. So the outside's pretty awesome looking, kind of aggressive. So we got light bars everywhere. We've got your winch if you get in a sticky situation. We got this thing lifting. We've got off-road capable, but very luxury on the inside. So jumping inside, that has a completely different look and feel than what you're seeing from the exterior. So starting with our walls, this is a marine exterior boat deck floor, which means it's abrasion resistant, UV protected, stain resistant, on and on and on. Also comes with a high density 1/2 inch backer, so a lot of sound dampening. So it's nice, really nice and quiet in here. And it also has a really cool, unique feel, look, and texture to it. So moving through, we see some of our cabinetry, which this is all oak. This has all been spec'd by the client. So one of the cool things that we have here is a movable overhead shelf. So this guy actually slides out of the way. It sits over a shower pan. So when you're ready to shower, you're not sitting in your overhead cabinet. So you just move this guy down. It's got wire and tracks and everything like that, and then you'll be able to stand here once it's up in the shower. Cool. So we'll have a bench here. You can see we got seat belts mounted to the ground. Be able to look out over the campsite. We have a fridge in here. All this stuff that's missing is actually in our spray booth right now, getting our final coats on. So we'll be finishing this guy out pretty soon. Got a bunch of random cool stuff, books, stuff to hang your clothes. We've got tweeters in the ceiling. We've got lights. Everything's on dimmers. We've got an upgraded sound system. This has a camera system on the exterior and interior. He has animals in here and he wants to be able to see on his phone, any issues or anything that's going on while he's away from the van. So a lot of cool options and upgrades and unique build for this one. We do have a heated floor in here from Van Life Tech, which is super killer. Get this thing up to 90 degrees. You actually heat the shell of the trailer instead of this whole thing just being an ice box in the winter, and then you just have this little bit of forced air that you're kind of huddled around. So let's jump around the back and open the back doors. You see we've got some Outland products on here. Rugged design back bumper, which is super cool. Love the platform that they offer. Perforated step, has integrated sensors. So on the back you can see that we have the showers here. We have our sensors. We have our controls for all of our powers on this side. And these guys are all giant storage drawers. So we've got 3 of them. So it's got tons of storage underneath the fixed bed here. So bikes, wetsuits, depending on what you're trying to take and store, bodies. So yeah, we're getting towards the finish line on this, so stay tuned for some more updates and reveals when this guy's fully done and ready to go out the door. All right.